How to fixing NVIDIA GeForce Experience error code 0x0003 on Windows. Here's how to fixing NVIDIA GeForce Experience error code 0x0003 on Windows. 1. Update your monitor drivers, NVIDIA GPU driver and network adapter using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Check for then install any pending Windows updates. 3. Restart all NVIDIA related services, like this. 4. Enable Allow Service to interact with desktop option for all NVIDIA telemetry container services. 5. Remove and reinstall NVIDIA GeForce Experience. 6. Reset your network adapter via netshare winsock reset command, admin mode. 7. Restore NVIDIA control panel configuration. Path, enter Manage 3D settings, then launch the Restore option. Note that you need to reinstall the default settings to NVIDIA GeForce Experience as well. 8. Disconnect your system from any active VPN/proxy server. 9. Run the GeForce Experience app in Windows Safe Mode with networking or Windows Clean Boot. 10. Create a new NVIDIA account.